In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the non-teaching vacancies notification from the state university as well as the private college guys. And here the opportunities are there for the only graduation and the post graduation and the PG plus UGSNet. So for all these candidates here, the opportunities are there. So if your friends or colleagues belongs to these qualification and looking for such type of notifications, then please share this video to them. It will be very much helpful. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGSNet preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here you may check down. There are announcement of the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies from Dr. Arun Mahavidyalaya, MBA. And here the contact number is also provided. So walk-in interview for proposed new MBA college, and applications are invited in the following post for our proposed MBA college. And you may check down here, the principal 1 post is required, assistant professor total 6 post, only MBA qualification guys. Here they did not mention anything about the UGSNet or the PhD. And coming to administrative officer 1 post, any postgraduate with the MBA and relevant experience, and librarian 1 post, and system analyst 1 post, BTech or else a graduation in computer engineering or MCA, and accountant 1 post, okay, and MCom with experience, and office clerk 1 post, any graduate. So computer operator 1 post, any graduate with certified computer course, and filling clerk 1 post, any graduate, storekeeper 1 post, any graduate, and assistant librarian 1 post, and lab assistant 4 posts are there, diploma in computers, and peons 4 posts are there, 10th pass. Qualifications and pay scale each and everything as per the ACT and the state government norms. And the walk-in interview date and time is 30th May 2021 from morning 11 o'clock to evening 4 o'clock guys. Okay, so you may check down, and the walk-in interview is the college address itself, fine, from the Bandara. Okay, so these are the details, and you may check down here itself, the address is there. If you're having any queries regarding this notification, here the contact number is also provided, so you may contact this one. And while coming to the second college that I want to show you is the State University. So I picked this notification based upon one of the comment I got from one person that he asked to represent the yoga positions guys. So based upon that one, I collected this notification. So it is a North Maharashtra University walk-in interviews or for the post of assistant professor, yoga therapy as well as the yoga instructor. Contract to be filled on contract basis through the university fund for academic year 2022-21. And the contractual posts are given here. Okay, for assistant professor 24,000 rupees per month, and for the yoga instructor 18,000 rupees per month. So here the interview schedule is given 28th May 2021 from morning 11:30 AM onwards. Okay, and the place of interview is given here. You may check down. And while coming to the candidates may attend the interview with 8 copies of applications with self-attested clean photocopies of documents of each sets. They should bring all relevant original testimonials. And coming to the qualification, assistant professor in yoga therapy, master's degree with 55% of marks as well as the national eligibility test, and the BAMS of the statutory university. So experience is also mentioned here. Essentially practical ability to perform the yoga practices, and remaining are all the desirable experiences. And coming to the yoga instructor, a degree in yoga with minimum of 55% of marks from a recognized university, or else any graduate from a recognized university established under UGC Act with diploma in yoga education or yoga studies. And essentially demonstration skills in yoga practices for which skill test will be conducted. Okay, so these are the things guys, and you may check down. Some relaxation in the marks is provided based upon the caste category. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box of this video, and here the application form is also mentioned here. So take down the printout of this one, fill up the details, and take the set of copies whatever they mention, and attend the interview guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide